what content do you create? Well, just make your content pillars. So make 3 content pillars. Mine are Google Ads, freelancing, and digital nomad. Write topics that can be from also ask.com. Find the most frequently asked questions about that topic. Write for your ideal client. Write in their language as well. It's a really great one. So, for example, I had early on clients coming on a call telling me, my Google Ads is rubbish. So I just start my post with that. My Google Ads is rubbish. Here's how to fix it, right? A lot of founders, if you're going after small business owners, for example, they're going to have no idea about CTR, CPC, performance max, placements, all these technical things. I see that a lot where Google Ads experts write for other Google Ads experts, and that's not who you're looking to sign or looking to read your content. So yeah, writing relevant content, writing in your ideal client's language is a massive one as well. Yeah, and then just staying consistent overall with your brand.
Amazing. Staying consistent with your brand, consistent with the content, using the lingo that your ICP uses, and tooting your own horn.